Okay, how you guys doing today? Hope life is treating you well. Man, I am feeling good today. My microphone, I apologize. Let me just adjust that. But I'm feeling good, guys. My bike, I'll toss up a photo right now. I feel like it's complete. I've recently added 2 perfectly sized mud guards to my bike, so that finally fixes the issue of constantly getting dirty. So I cleaned the bike one last time, I lubed it up, put on the new mud guards. So that's all taken care of. If you guys saw my last video, you know that I replaced the mounting mechanism for my entire battery, and now it's like amazing. It doesn't budge at all. I can put the bike upside down. In fact, I've done that to do some repairs, and the battery is completely solid. So I don't know, I just feel like my bike is really complete right now. Of course, there's always stuff to do. I noticed with e-bikes, especially custom builds, it's very easy to spend a lot of money. So I'm actively trying to not spend a lot of money. What is this car doing? There is still one major upgrade I want to do, and that's the suspension fork up front, because this is still my default fork, and it gets the job done, but it's not pretty by any means. One of the first upgrades I did was the rear shock in the back, and I'm super glad I did that. In fact, as I just mentioned, I cleaned my bike and I lubed everything up with WD-40, and now the swing arm in the back is way more effective and has a lot more travel to it. So I have to say, if you guys have a full suspension bike, take some WD-40 and lube that shit up. Alright, well I think that's basically going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you know what? Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the view, I appreciate the like, I really appreciate the subscribe to the channel. Here's a nice look at my super clean bike thanks to my fenders. But I'm going to go now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.